Welcome back to Ungraceful Garage, and this video is going to be about my 1999 RM 125. This is Revival Part 2.5. Because we already did 2, and I didn't finish it because the hoses were breaking. So I got different hoses, kind of have a similar problem, except they're not breaking. So we're going to run with it, and we're going to get them on there. Here we go. Alright. So if you remember last time, I had these hoses all done, and they started splitting in half. Well, I got the hoses now that these are an 1/8 inch, and these are 4 millimeter. Quite honestly, they fit about exactly the same, so I don't know much of a difference. But these ones split open, and these ones did not. So we're gonna go with it. Alright, so I got a shrink tube like last time. We're gonna cut her in half. Like that. And then I'm gonna try to remember where all these hoses go. Let's start with these ones. So I'm gonna pull these off. Maybe. Oh my goodness. I'll pull this one off. Oh, maybe. That's really on there. I feel like that hose clamp's stuck. These ain't pliers. Alright. What is happening here? It's like nothing is holding that on. Alright, well. Anywho's, we are going to make this over again. We need a hose this long. I don't even know if the one that's on the carb. So that's one. I think it's 2. And then this one was an extra one that they had in here, probably to make up the footage. Yeah, that's real cool of them. So, pre-cut, we'll have to fix on that. So we got 2 of our lines right there. And then I need, that one's done. Let's just make this one, since it looks like it's the longest. So let's cut about yay off. And we got this one right here. And then we've got, is that the small one? Yeah, and we got this one, which, damn you, it's about here. All right, we don't need this. That's our spare. Okay, so we're gonna start with the complicated one, which is this one. And we want it to be like this, I think. This is a little short. How did I achieve that? Oh well, it's pretty close. Get these on here. All right, after struggling for a minute, I got it. Now I'm gonna take my little lighter and try not to burn the hoses and just heat up the shrink tubes a little bit. I want to get them nice and tight. Just make sure you don't put too much heat down in one spot for too long. That'll probably be good right there. Do the same to the other side. And it's done. Alright, now I gotta figure out which hoses go where, so it might take me a second. Alright, so I figured out something. I'm supposed to put these little clips on here, these ones. And I put the bowl back on, so I gotta take that apart, put these on there. And then I got the big hose that goes around the top that I'm gonna do, and then I gotta figure everything else out because it's kind of complicated. Alright, so those go, I do believe, here and here. So I'm just gonna pop these screws down. Alright, and that's what I got. One here and one here. And now we'll take these and put them over the top. One hose goes to this breather, one hose goes to this one. Okay, got them ones on. I think these go like so, maybe? One right there. One right there. I think. I do believe. Alright, now I gotta figure out the rest of it, so hold on. Alright, so I was trying to figure out some pictures and stuff that I have, but didn't do very good ones, so I think I'm just gonna say, fuck it, put some hoses on here. I got this. Probably, all of them is the exact same size. Probably the shortest one will go here on the end for the bowl. Ooh, that one on there, nice too. And then I have one more right here. Should be the other one that's the exact same size. It'll go right here. This one might need a little love. Maybe not. Nope. It's on there. Just fine. And then this one will go right here. Just like that. Now we have all of our hoses. I'm actually going to cut this one because it's too long. I think I want them all to sit about yay. So we're going to go right here. Go right here. And go right there. And that's how we're going to do it. Just like that. He's all ready to go on the bike. And there you have it. Carb hose is done. Actually, the whole carb's done. She's cleaned up. She's ready to go. Right back on the bike. Right at its home. Right in there. That's what we're going to do for part tree. Right when I get to it. But that's it for 2.5. If you guys liked this, if it helped you, if anything, you just thought it was funny. Maybe. Anyways, just like, comment, share, tell your friends about it. Anything helps to get the channel off the ground. I appreciate every single one of you, and keep it ungraceful. See you on the next one.